peanut butter, my friend, I've come to open you again. And as I start to make something to eat, I hear the smattering of doggy feet, and the sound becomes planted in my brain. The dog's insane, and that's the sound of making sandwiches. And if I made a sandwich for you, my dogs would surely come unglued. They'd want your crust, and we can't have that. If they get too fat, then they'll wreck their back. Still, you can see what I mean when I say that they go insane for whole wheat grains. And that's the sound of making sandwiches. Fool, said I, you do not know that this is how my lunchtime goes. I try to creep around quietly. I time my lunch for when they're fast asleep. But like Pavlov's dogs, they come running when they hear the sound and leap around. And that's the sound of making